On January 20th, police in Palm Bay, Florida, say a 25-year-old man intentionally drove into a patrol vehicle while officers were handling traffic control at an earlier crash scene. Investigators said the driver then led officers on a roughly 2-mile pursuit at high speeds, allegedly turning off his headlights and driving recklessly before losing control and crashing into a parked vehicle. Police said he then tried to flee on foot and resisted officers before being taken into custody. The whole encounter started during an investigation of a crash scene.
Driver, shut the vehicle off, roll the windows down, do it now! Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4. Pursue him. Let me see your hands! Hey, somebody get eyes on the passenger side. Let me see your hands up! Hands down, mother. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, mother. Get your hands. Quit running. Damn. Quit resisting. We're getting him insane now. Stupid motherfucker. It's fine. Get up. Get the
Damn, I ain't know what over there. Why you gotta do me like that? I'm not being aggressive with you, I'm not doing nothing. Oh shit.
Whose car we putting in? Mine. God, my knee. Good? Yeah, I blasted my knee on the concrete.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, yeah, you gotta go to concrete.
Yeah, I'm good, dude. Oh, mother. Yep, I'm feeling it now. I didn't feel it in the moment. I'm feeling it now. Oh, bastard, dude. Whose car are we putting them in? Mine. Got searched? Yeah.
Can I please let the cuss off of me, please?
Hell no, dude. You got about 7 felonies. You hit a cop.
How did I hit
and you
cop?
fled. Watch your feet, dude.
Yeah, wait.
Put your feet in. No, we already waited.
Wait.
Stick your foot in. Or you're going to get another charge.
I got the wrap with me.
Go get it.
Damn! Why are you harassing me? This is harassment. I haven't done any.
Are you that f***ed up that you don't even remember running over a cop?
I didn't run over
And
a
you
cop.
crashed into some parked house? Dumb, dude.
I didn't do any of that.
Alright, man.
Have I switched seats? Yes, I may have done that, yes.
Well, we were behind you the whole time.
Tased him. Me.
Huh?
Me. Okay. Didn't seem very effective.
I should have had seats.
Taser 10, dude, for you.
We're moving, guy.
Can I sit up,
No.
please? I can't even sit up?
Nope.
Damn.
You're about to be around, bro. Somebody check on.
Easier if he's laying face down.
Just flip him.
Yep, put him face down.
Cross. Yep.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, he's fine. He was out of the car. He wasn't. No, he was in the car, but he's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, 271 told him to get out, and he smacked it in reverse and
Right into 214.
right into 214's
Nice, dude.
car.
Very nice.
Very nice about what?
All the felonies you just caught.
Yeah. Because 214 saw him. He ran off the road.
Yeah, I don't know if he hit something like a mailbox or something. I'm not sure.
Huh?
I heard something. He hit something.
He did hit something?
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I know his 214 said it was the curb, or I don't know. All right, he's good to go.
All right, let's load him up, take him down to the hospital.
Got that?
Whose is this?
This is Brett's.
Alright.
You have the helmet? Throw it on.
You want the helmet? Just put him in. Whose is this?
This is Brett's.
Alright, put him in
You have
there.
the helmet? Throw it on.
There you go. Thanks.
Can I get a number out of my phone, please? No?
No.
Dude, really?
You got the strap.
Hold on. Give me the strap again. All right, you guys put on in there.
The man was arrested on multiple charges, including aggravated assault and aggravated battery involving a law enforcement officer, fleeing and eluding, DUI-related offenses, resisting an officer without violence, leaving the scene of a crash involving injuries, and multiple property damage hit-and-run charges. Authorities said he also refused to submit to DUI testing. The article does not mention a bond amount, whether bail was granted or denied, or any sentencing, but it states that he was turned over to the Brevard County Sheriff's Office following his arrest.
That front right tire is completely messed up, so. By any chance, do you have a broom?
I have a blower. I was just gonna blow off this stuff for her.
I was about to say, while you're doing that, if anything, I could do that. I was
Okay.
just trying to speed it up, make it a little bit easier. No, it wasn't a fatality, but she pretty messed up. You talking about Walden?
Walden, I believe.
Yeah.
I was coming here, I seen those all got it all.
Yeah,
all
she
up.
blew the stop sign. And that we were dealing with that. And then this dodo comes off, crashes into our watch commander, reverses into him. While at that crash, we pursued him. And then he just started crashing all over, and then this is the end result.
He was drunk or something?
Probably. It's a shit show, to say the least, bro.